Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Daisy, your friendly morning person with my travel planner right here.
And I'm George, the coffee person who never packs his toothbrush on time.
Typical George. Today's episode is perfect for anyone who loves travel or dreams of it. We'll teach you easy English for airport, hotel, and taxi situations.
That's right. You'll learn what to say when you check in at the airport, talk to hotel staff, or tell a taxi driver where to go.
And we'll keep everything simple short sentences, clear examples, and lots of fun.
If you've ever felt nervous using English abroad, this episode is for you. By the end, you'll sound more confident when you travel. And
Before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a like. It really helps our little English family grow.
grab your coffee or your travel bag because we're ready to fly. Let's go! So, Daisy, when was the last time you traveled?
Last summer, I went to Thailand. Beautiful beaches, kind people, but oh my gosh, the humidity.
I went to Italy last year. I mostly remember two things: pizza and getting lost in Rome.
You? Lost? Not surprised.
Hey, I just couldn't read the Italian road signs, but it was fun. I learned to say dove il bagno? Where is the bathroom?
That's an important phrase for travelers everywhere.
Exactly, and that's why today's lesson is special. Real English you actually use when traveling.
Yes, not grammar books, real talk. How to check your flight, ask for your hotel room, or tell the taxi, please stop here.
And maybe how to complain politely if your coffee is cold?
Of course, that's your favorite phrase.
All right, George, let's imagine. You're at the airport, you walk to the check-in counter. What do you say? Easy. Hi, I have a flight to Paris.
Perfect start. The agent may say, "Can I see your passport, please?"
And I give it with a smile, not with sleepy eyes like last time.
Then they'll ask, "Do you have any luggage to check in? Are you giving your big bag to the airline?"
Right! If I only have a small bag, I say, no, just carry on.
Nice. Let's show a short example conversation.
That's so friendly. And don't forget to say thank you. Kindness makes travel smoother.
Absolutely. Here are some useful phrases.
Can we also teach airport small talk?
Sure. You can say, "Is this the line for flight 102? Excuse me, where is gate B7? How long is the flight?"
And my favorite, where's the coffee shop?
Typical George. When you travel, practice short, polite sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. Just be clear and smile.
Right, even where gate is better than silence.
Exactly. Don't be afraid to speak.
Okay, Daisy, we're finally on the plane. Time to relax, right?
Well, yes, but you still need a few travel English phrases. What if you need water or want to change your seat?
Let's teach some easy ones.
All right. The flight attendant comes by and says, "Would you like something to drink?"
I'd say, yes, please. Can I have coffee?
Of course you would. Coffee person forever.
Exactly. What if they ask about meals?
They'll say, "Chicken or vegetarian?" "Chicken, please."
Easy. And always say please and thank you. It's polite. Hey, Daisy. What if someone says, please fasten your seatbelt?
Close the belt around your waist. Safety first.
Right. I always forget until the plane starts moving.
That's so you.
What if I need to go to the bathroom?
Just say, "Excuse me, where's the restroom?"
And the flight attendant might point and say, at the back of the plane?
Perfect. Let's practice, listeners. Repeat after us. "Can I have water, please?" "Where's the restroom?" "Could you help me with my bag?"
Nice. Easy and polite.
Exactly. These small phrases make you sound friendly and confident.
And confident travelers get more smiles and maybe free snacks.
We landed. Welcome to your hotel. This is another important travel situation.
Yes, this one can feel stressful if your English isn't ready, but don't worry. We'll make it easy.
Okay, imagine you walk to the reception desk and say, "Hello, I have a reservation."
Good start. The receptionist will say, welcome. May I have your name, please?
"Sure, it's George Parker."
Then they'll say, can I see your passport? Or could you please fill out this form?
Exactly. Here's a full example: supernatural and friendly.
And remember, always listen for words like key, room, and breakfast.
Yes, those tell you what's important. Reservation, booking made before arrival. Reception, front desk area. Check in. Register when you arrive. Check out. Leave and pay the bill. Room key. Card or key to open your room. Breakfast buffet. Morning meal area. Elevator. Lift to go up or down. Daisy, what if I need help with bags? You can say, could someone help me with my luggage? Can I have extra towels, please?
And if the Wi Fi doesn't work, I say, excuse me, the Wi Fi isn't working.
Exactly. Always start with excuse me. It makes every complaint sound polite.
Nice. I should remember that before I complain about cold coffee.
Please do.
Okay, bags are packed. Time to explore the city.
Right. Let's get a taxi. But what do you say in English?
Simple. Excuse me, taxi? Or can you take me to the airport, please?
Perfect. And always say, please. Daisy, what if I don't understand the driver? You can say, sorry, can you speak slowly?
Good one. Or use Google Maps to show the address.
Yes, that helps too.
And if I want a receipt,
Say, can I have a receipt, please?
perfect. You're ready to travel like a pro. Okay, Daisy, we're checked in, had coffee, and took a taxi. Now it's time for adventure.
Yes, sightseeing time. You'll need English for asking directions and talking to locals,
Right. Because getting lost is basically part of traveling.
especially for you, George.
Okay, let's start with an easy one. I want to visit the museum, but I don't know where it is. I say, excuse me, where is the museum?
Perfect! And the local person might say, go straight and turn left. It's next to the park.
Nice. Let's act it out.
Simple and friendly. You can always start with, excuse me. That's the magic phrase.
Yes. And what if I want to ask how far it is?
Say, how far is it? Or, can I walk there?
And if it's really far, maybe, is there a bus nearby?
Exactly. Or, which bus goes to the station?
This is great for any country.
Yes. And remember, speak slowly and smile. People want to help travelers.
And sometimes locals will even walk with you to show the way.
Exactly. Always say, thank you so much. Kindness is universal.
I love that. Okay, can we do one more mini role play?
Perfect. Easy English, polite tone, and now you can survive anywhere.
And find your coffee anywhere too?
All right, grammar lovers. Let's learn one useful word for travel: CAN.
I like this one. Short and easy.
Exactly. We use can for asking permission or making polite requests. Okay, George, time for a mini role play. I'll be the receptionist. You be the guest checking out.
Got it. Let's go.
And that's real life English: short, polite, easy to understand.
I like that we used can I and can you in real conversation.
Exactly. That's how you'll speak confidently anywhere. Question 1: Where did George and Daisy meet the flight attendant? A. At the hotel. B. On the plane. C. In the taxi. Answer: B. On the plane. Question 2: What did Daisy say you should always use to start a polite question? A. Please. B. Excuse me. C. Hey, you. Answer: B. Excuse me. Question 3: Choose the correct sentence. A. Can you to help me? B. Can you help me? C. Can you helps me? Answer: B. Can you help me? Question 4: Choose the correct sentence. A. Can I have a water, please? B. Can I have water, please? C. Can I have water, please? Answer: C. Can I have water, please? 1. Boarding pass. A. Where two streets meet. Second elevator. B. Card or ticket to enter a plane. The third corner. C. Machine that takes you up or down floors. Answers: 1 to B, 2 to C, 3 to A. Sentence 1: I have your passport, please? Answer: can. Sentence 2: Go straight and turn down at the traffic light. Answer: right. Sentence 3: Can I pay Schatten's card? Answer. Buy. Question 5. Where do you want to travel next? Try answering in English. For example, I want to travel to Japan. I want to visit Turkey. I want to go to London to see Big Ben. Write your answer in the comments.
This quiz was fun.
Yes. And if you got even 3 right, that's awesome progress.
Give yourself a coffee or a cookie as a prize.
I'll take tea, thanks. All right, travelers, let's quickly review what we learned today.
Number 1, useful phrases for the airport, hotel, and taxi.
Number 2, you learned to use can I and can you for polite requests.
Number 3, lots of vocabulary. Words like boarding pass, check in, elevator, traffic light, and receipt.
Number 4, how to ask for directions like a pro. Go straight, turn right, next to the bank.
And number 5, travel English doesn't need to be perfect. Just smile, be polite, and keep speaking.
Exactly. Every small sentence is a big step toward confidence.
And that's a wrap, everyone. You just finished the full English for Travel journey.
Yes, you learned everything from the airport to the hotel, even how to ask for coffee politely.
An important life skill, by the way.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with a friend who loves travel.
And tell us in the comments, where do you want to travel next?
Your comment might inspire our next episode.
Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget your passport.
And your toothbrush, George.
Right. Thanks, Daisy.
Bye, everyone.